how to scale your online business and automate your way to success. In this video, by automating tasks and outsourcing. No more working 24/7. Do you ever feel like you are drowning in your work? Like you are doing everything yourself and you just never seem to get ahead? Well, my friend, if that's the way you're feeling, it's time to scale your business and automate your way to success. I'm going to show you ways to work smarter, not harder. The power of automation tools. These little beauties are the secret to freeing up your time. It's almost like getting a robot to handle some of this work for you. For example, when your business reaches a point where it is too time consuming for you to be able to go out and comment on everything that people are asking, you may need to go to a different email automation system, maybe like MailChimp or ConvertKit. These can automatically send emails. They can follow up on leads. They can even send special offers. And this is all while you are using that time freedom to do something that you want or need to do. And then don't forget about scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. These let you schedule your social media posts in advance. You can plan your entire week of posts in an hour and let the tool handle the rest. This can be a real time saver. Initially, you'll be able to use the schedulers that are inside each of the platforms already to schedule your content, which is what I do. But when you grow to that point where you need more automation to handle more of these tasks, these are some of the things that you're going to turn to. So if your business is at that point, what types of automation tools are you using already? Or is there something that you'd like to try? So now let's talk about outsourcing. Outsourcing can be a great way to free up time. Once you hit a certain point in your business, again, we are talking when the roof is starting to come off of it and you cannot keep up with everything, you have to start looking for some other options. There are a lot of freelancers out there, maybe on Fiverr, and there's some different places like that where you can find people who specialize in whatever your need is. Maybe it's creating your social media content, or maybe it's creating your emails. Whatever it is that consumes most of your time and that you find the most difficult, you can hire a virtual assistant. Imagine having someone else to handle all the stuff that you just really don't want to. Doesn't that sound divine? It's exciting that there are tools out there that can do that stuff for you when you are ready, so that you truly will get back your time freedom and still continue to make money. There are platforms out there like Upwork that are full of talented people that can help you with whatever it is you need help with, whether it's graphic design, customer support, or even data entry. Let go of the things that are sucking up your time and let someone else do the heavy lifting. Okay, so tell me, what is the one thing that you wish you could outsource? Is it email replies or social media or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's brainstorm on how to get you started on outsourcing. Creating systems for less stress and more money. Here's the real magic. Systems are basically repeatable processes that help your business run smoothly. Instead of reinventing the wheel every time, just follow the steps that you've set up. For example, you could have a checklist of everything that needs to be done. Do you have any systems in place yet? Or do you just kind of feel like it's just a chaotic circus out there? Let me know in the comments where you're at. All right, so let's wrap this up. Automation tools like social media scheduling and email automation are going to be your best friends. Outsource the stuff that you just don't love to do or just don't have the time for. Create the systems that are going to make your business run smoothly and stress-free. And here's the thing. In the beginning, everything is a learning curve and it is all a challenge. But if it's broken down into these little steps where you can kind of understand it and what these systems are doing for you, you're going to find that you can scale your business without burning out. You're going to be able to make more money by working less. And that's what we're all in it for. We are in it to help solve other people's problems by giving of ourselves and our expertise and our skills. And we want to learn how to work less and make more, giving us not only financial freedom, but time freedom. And those two things are our ultimate goal. And comment below, let me know what your favorite automation tool is. Or let me know what kind of task you're going to want to outsource first. Let's get this scaling party started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.